time was a place back when you and I were living alone together. We held each other in the middle of the night and swore we'd somehow make it better. We set aside some big city lights, no more Sony's Rolling Stones, and here we are with everything we ever wanted. But now we're together alone. Gotta break out of this place where I live, running out of time and out of sin. We would live in smoke and mirrors anyway. Gonna drive all night till we disappear, chasing down the miles so far from here. As the smoke and mirrors start to fade away, we're still the same. I remember thinking we could make it out somehow, if somehow we ever took a chance. We packed up what we had and threw it in the trunk. Didn't give our life a second glance. But the days roll hard and the nights move fast. They say be careful what you wish, but having everything means nothing to me now. What we had